Guys, make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make, and they may end up spending thousands of dollars on repairs, diagnostics, parts that they may not actually even need. We'll talk about that in this video today. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair Guys. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses, relays for the direct fuel injection fuel pump. Fuses, relays guys on Mercedes GLC, that generation right here. Guys, please do not waste money on parts to use diagnostics. If you have problems with your direct fuel injection fuel pump, we'll explain what you need to check. It could be quite simple fix. And after that, of course, if you need to buy the replacement parts and tools, guys, we will share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Even before we start, guys, let us share something with you. Okay, 9 out of 10 people do not know there will be hidden fuse boxes in that Mercedes. How many? Up to 6, 7 different fuse boxes, guys. Now, that's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's called Mercedes GLC fuse box location and diagram. Check it out. It's a video that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now, guys, when we make all these free videos, we take every single car apart that we get here at the garage. We make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmission, codes, fuses, relays, because our mission at the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way, guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So for the direct fuel pump, guys, direct injection fuel pump, which fuses, relays we need to check, we'll demonstrate on that generation Mercedes GLC right here. We'll be working in multiple fuse boxes. We need to check multiple fuses. We'll talk about that first. We need to open the passenger door, and in the passenger side footwell compartment, guys, here you see on the APO we have a cover. Open that cover, and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Guys, before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick, guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays. They look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them. But it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays. And if you want to see how to do that, guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. So here, guys, we need to check just one fuse in that fuse box. Coming in this middle row here, we'll be talking about fuse number 315 right there that you will need to check. Now, we need to open the hood. Under the hood, we'll be working in 2 fuse boxes. One of them is extremely hidden. But the first one is on the right side, facing the engine on the right side. This is the driver's side. Under that cover is the main engine fuse box with that layout here. We need to check fuse number 122 here, guys. Okay, let me show you now where you can expect to find that fuse. And this is fuse right here, 122. 22, this one right here, and 126. These 2 fuses here. Then you need to check relay G. And we have a hidden relays, 2 of them. This is J and O under that cover. The top one, relay J. In our case, it's a white relay. You need to check that integrated relay as well. Then open the hood again, but now come to the passenger side. You see that's a positive jump starter terminal right here. Now, if you remove that cover, okay, that positive jump starter terminal is a built-in pre-fuse box. That's what it looks like on the back side. You have multiple cables going in and out. When you open it, it will look similar like that. You have multiple built-in fuses, guys, mega fuses. Depending on the year and the model, you may have 2 different kinds here. This is the first kind, and here you will need to check fuse number 3, guys, right there. Now, guys, test all of the fuses inside here, because, okay, if you have another fuse here, it can cause that problem as well. and this is the second kind that you may have. Fuse number 5 will be the main fuse, but again, test all of them. And guys, we are not done here. We need to go ahead and open the trunk. What we have here in the trunk, you see that cargo cover, lift it up. Underneath, you will find that flap. You open that flap and underneath is the main trunk fuse box. Two very important fuses that you will need to check here. Fuse number 442, right here, and fuse number 451. These two fuses, guys, will need to be checked if you have problems, okay, with that sensor on your Mercedes GLC. Guys, this Mercedes has all kind of different fuses, right? You can see just in this fuse box we have two different kinds. Then if you go in this one, you have even some more special fuses right there in the trunk fuse box as well, guys. Now, it's always a good idea to keep some spare ones, guys, in the glove box for a peace of mind. That way, if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need a fuse, you replace it, you're back on the road. Otherwise, we'll be stuck in the middle of nowhere, guys. We'll share the links in the description of the video below where you can get replacement fuses, relays, where we get most of our tools, part supplies from as well. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.